don't want to lean my bike up against the wall here. Almost dropped it. Good morning from Good morning from Bubblegum Alley in San Luis Obispo. I don't really know what to think of it. It's gross, but kind of cool. Seattle has one of these too, so it makes me miss Seattle, of course. Today I'm going to Morro Bay. Ultimately, I'm going to stop in San Simeon State Park. So, yeah, bubblegum. Like we're definitely getting back to the coast. Look at all this fog. It's gonna feel good. This has been a gorgeous drive though. Ride, not drive. Wow. Awesome. All right, Monterey is gonna be my next stop with rest days, so yeah, maybe I'll just do it in one go. See Morro Rock. It feels good seeing a big landmark like that go past you and become something small and in the distance. It's a good feeling. Getting some strange looks around these parts. I'm inside my tent now, and I keep hearing little rodent squeaks outside of the tent. I hope they don't come in. I don't mind them squeaking outside, but just don't come in, please. Got Kramer hair after a day of cycling. It feels so good to lie down. So I'm at Hearst San Simeon State Park, and I'm going to be going to Plaskett Creek Campground tomorrow. And yeah, it was a gorgeous day. I rode from San Luis Obispo. As soon as I hit Cambria, the terrain became kind of different. There were a lot more cypress trees and pine trees, and it smelled really good, like Christmas and the ocean, and yeah. Cambria looks like a cool town, but I was trying to beat the sunset again, so I didn't stop in there. The timing just worked out really well because I was able to see the sunset, and yeah, as I was riding along, and it was just gorgeous. I had a lot of energy today. I think that's probably because you know, I'm coming off 3 rest days, so yeah, that helped me keep a good pace today. And yeah, I did about 30 some miles. I'm really excited to keep exploring Big Sur because I haven't seen any of this area before. The farthest north I've been is San Luis Obispo, and then Monterey, and then parts of Oregon and Seattle. But I haven't really seen any of Northern California. I've never been to San Francisco, haven't been to Big Sur. It's about 9:30. I'm gonna get some rest now. Good night. Oh, come here. Hello. I think he knows I'm a dog person. Good morning. It is Saturday, and I am headed from Hearst San Simeon State Park to Plaskett Creek Campground. Yeah. And depending on how I feel, I'm going to take a rest day there or at Pfeiffer Big Sur State Park Campground. So yeah, last night it actually got cold, and it was the first night of the trip so far where it's been cold enough that I could see my breath. So yeah, but the sleeping bag worked well. I still haven't used the liner yet. I may break it out next night. But yeah, and also I saw some stars too. I hadn't really noticed them. They're not like, I don't know, true wilderness stars yet, but they're certainly better than anything in LA or Southern California. I'm gonna pass Hearst Castle, and it's already past 11, so I think I'm just gonna skip it. I live close enough, you know, I'm from Ventura County, so I live close enough that I think I can make a trip back if I need to, or I mean, I'll want to, of course, but yeah, I think that's gonna eat into my time, and I've got some hills today too, so that's gonna slow me down. So I'm just gonna get on the road and yeah, see you along the way. Next stop is Friends of the Elephant Seal gift shop viewing area. I'm not sure if there will be seals, but yeah. This is really funny. So to entertain myself at night, I've been watching downloaded videos from YouTube of Homemade Wanderlust's PCT through hike vlog, and I just watched the episode where they found fire Wi-Fi, and what do you know? Fire Wi-Fi. Nice. Zebra. And Hearst Castle.